The Coca-Cola Company, American corporation founded in 1892 and today engaged primarily in the manufacture and sale of syrup and concentrate for Coca-Cola, a sweetened carbonated beverage that is a cultural institution in the United States and a global symbol of American taste. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everyone having a wonderful day. If you are new here, welcome my investors. My channel goal is to create a dividend and capital portfolio to live off passive income and be able to cover my monthly bill usage without relying on active income. Back to the topic. All the dividend investors out there always try to be looking for a good dividend stock to buy for the portfolio to make sure it's stable and have exponential growth. Today we'll be talking about Coca-Cola Company and dive deep into it and why it is one of the best dividend stocks out there in the market. Okay, so what is the company about? When people hear about Coca-Cola Company, the first thing that comes to everyone's mind is Coke is a beverage company that sells Cokes to make sale. You are not wrong thinking about that. Coca-Cola original brand is the Coke drink, and that is what makes Coca-Cola as a whole company. The company itself does not just sell Coke. First, let's just check out the official Coca-Cola website. This is their website, very neat and clean design presenting the brand and showing all the beverage that they have occurred during the progress of their growth. It's like a message telling us we Coca-Cola will continue to strive for further and create many innovations to bring consumer demand forever. Especially this picture right here, very powerful message. For sparkling soft drink, they have Coca-Cola of course, Sprite, Fanta, and Schweppes if I pronounced it correctly. When you click here, it shows all the varieties of flavors of that brand carries. Water hydration category, they have Dasani, Smart Water, Powerade, and Vitamin Water. Same again when I click on the brand, it shows varieties of flavor. Same goes for juice, dairy, and plant-based, coffees, teas categories. They each have their own brand and their own varieties. The total brand, they owned it 28 brand of beverage company, including their own brand Coca-Cola, which are the huge asset they have for the portfolio to continuously generate cash flow. They even have Coca-Cola City, and citizens live there, drink 2.2 liters a day. Let's watch a couple of seconds of this video. I will leave the full video link down below in the description.
Una Coca-Cola.
¿Por qué?
Me gusta mucho.
Ask her if she knows that people in Chiapas drink more Coke than any country in the world per capita.
Sí.
What to get?
¿Cuántas de estas te tomas al día?
Ay, 3
¿3 litros?
Would you say Coke is the most popular drink that you sell here?
litros.
How's the company make money and bring in more new investors? Here are their growth strategy. It's like a blueprint sharing to the investor like us how they generate cash flow. This blueprint is like how they manifest their strategy to bring in cash flow and make consumer like us keep on buying their products. As a Coca-Cola company, their strength gives them confidence in their ability to deliver long-term, sustainable share owner value. The long-term target consists a solid of revenue growth of 4% to 6%, strong operating leverage driving to 6% to 8% operating income growth, delivering meaningful earning per share growth and improving on their free cash flow conversion. The capital allocation strategy support both of their growth ambitions and returning cash to share owners. They are focused on leveraging on the growth strategy to drive bottom line profitability and maximum returns, while continuing to invest for growth through resource allocation, margin expansion, and asset optimization, ultimately leading a strong cash flow generation. They will continue to focus on strong free cash flow generation through working capital management, optimal levels of capital investment, and further reduction in productivity and reinvestment costs. Okay, let's check out what's their metric currently performing. The current share price is $53.85 during the recording date. In 1 year time frame, they have gained 19.76%. 5-year time frame, it's gained 16.37%. 10-year frame, 62.65%. All the time frame are bullish, which is an excellent sign for all investors to invest in a good stable company that actually has growth. Currently, dividend yield is 3.24%, paying quarterly. Market cap is 228 billion in the recording day. Dividend history growth is uptrend, also a great sign. The payout ratio is pretty high, which is not a good sign, because anything above 55% payout ratio is not healthy, and they distribute a half of more than of the earning to dividend, which keep us dividend investor happy and stay with the company. The 5-year growth rate for dividend is 4.25%, so each year is 0.85% increase. With the history of 58-year dividend, that is a plus for a metric to keep in mind. Despite high payout ratio, the company won't go bearish. Beverage is a daily consumption for consumer like us. Their revenue dropped to around $8 billion, but their cost of revenue also dropped, which is good, so it costs much less to produce those products for sales. Their estimated projection in this year's sales growth at June to be 27%, which is huge, and the next year is 5.8%. Alright, this is my opinion for Coca-Cola Company. I would strongly buy and hold for long term due to high sustainability of the company. Everywhere in the store you will see Coca-Cola beverage. General merchandise retailers such as Target, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Costco, or any general merchandise retailer in some other country I never heard of. And a gas station and family-owned business vendors, they have a contract agreement with the company that they purchase their space within the beverage aisle. I work in CVS and I am the assistant manager. I work and communicate with the sales representative once a week to make sure the cooler is filled with beverage for the consumer to buy. For family-owned business and gas station have the option with the contract or just by negotiating for the percentage share, such as people doing the vending machine business, they go and talk to them and see what's the percentage they can talk with. Usually it's 10%. It's similar to it. And people always buy a beverage for events like parties, gathering, weddings, all types of events you can name off. Even mixing drinks with alcohol. I believe this company will never go bankrupt unless somehow a company come out with nowhere that has a brilliant idea, tastes better than Coke, and they have to compete with Pepsi and 7-Up as well. These two titan companies of Pepsi and Coke, they are rival to each other for years or even decades. And 7-Up is just there like a third wheel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like it, do me a favor, tap that like button and subscribe and walk this journey with me to see how the portfolio is gonna be and for our goal to get to the passive income and live off and be well off. I will see you guys next time. Stay wealthy.